Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Speak with Indu. How are you all? I am good. I hope you all are good and learning new things and improving. Today I will share how I improved my speaking English by using social media. First I started listening simple videos. I started listening simple English videos, fluent speaker because I want to become fluent speaker. I want to become public speaker. That's why I started listening English videos, fluent speaker. After listening, I started listening English cartoons, English simple videos. Initially, I didn't able to understand everything. I understand little bit. But when I started listening every day, after sometimes I started understanding almost everything. Then I started speaking with simple sentences. I didn't focus about grammar. Yes, in the beginning, before 2 to 3 years ago, I focused on grammar. I learned many grammar rules, but I couldn't able to speak because that day I'm not speaking. That's why I'm not able to speak. But now I started listening simple English videos and I started speaking simple sentences, and nowadays you I started recording videos every day. I'm in, I started maintaining my consistency. You also know, I uploaded one video daily. Then I started speaking every day. I started listening simple English videos, simple cartoons, and I just started speaking because when I just watch, then I am not able to speak, because when you repeat again and again, then you started doing automatically. So I started speaking also, and I started I am afraid of making mistakes before. Then I started speaking every day. I'm not afraid of making mistakes because I know when I made mistakes means I'm learning new things. Then I started speaking every day, uh, and then I started practicing in front of the mirror. And I also started practicing with the help of ChatGPT. I started asking questions with ChatGPT, and then ChatGPT replies me. I started talking with ChatGPT. I started typing with ChatGPT, and I started reading with ChatGPT. ChatGPT helped me a lot, and I started making videos, and I started listening my voice again and again, and I improved from my mistakes. When I started practicing in front of the mirror, I first I get confused. First I make many mistakes. It makes me strange, but nowadays I'm comfortably speaks in front of the mirror. Yes, still I'm making lots of mistakes, but now I'm a little bit confident, more confident than before. Now I started thinking in my mind. When I thought Hindi to English, when I translate Hindi to English, then my speaking is slow. So I started speaking simple word like eating, walking, talking, ear, nose, teeth, like this. I started speaking. Then you also start thinking in your mind. When you start thinking in your mind, you are able to speak fluently and confidently. I used see, lots of people used internet, mobile phone. They do just scrolling. They wasted their time, but I don't use mobile phone for wasting my time. I used for learning English skills. Then you also start using internet, social media for your uh, learning skills, then you also improved. So starts using social media in good way instead of just scrolling and wasting your time. Start using properly. I started using properly, and my English speaking is improving day by day. Still, I am making lots of mistakes, but I am improving from my mistakes. Now I can speak English. If I can speak, then you also can speak. So start. Just you have to. There is no need of perfect English. There is only need of practicing. If you listen every day and practice every day, and you speak daily at least for 10 to 15 minutes, you also started speaking fluently. And I also maintain my consistency. Nowadays you are looking that I'm daily uploading my video. I'm not skipping any single day. uh, because of this, my speaking skills is developing day by day. uh, Consistency is the key to success. If you maintain your consistency, at least you speak 10 to 15 minutes, then you also started speaking English confidently and fluently. So I hope you all uh, you also start practicing every day. So write in the comment section that I will also use social media in good way. I also start speaking English from today itself. So remember, English, perfect English is not necessary. Speak Practicing is most important, and use social media in good way. Uh, Use social media to improving your communication skills, to speaking English. I hope you all like these videos. If you like these videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep improving, keep practicing.